Welcome to the MTBC EMR video tutorial. This video will demonstrate how to use all of the functions in the scheduler feature. Let's begin. The MTBC EMR scheduler allows you to maintain an updated and complete schedule for all of the providers and locations of your practice. Click the Scheduler button from the top of the main menu bar located at the top of the MTBC EMR window to access the scheduler. The default screen is the Daily Appointments tab, which shows today's appointments for the provider and the location selected. Users with access to the schedule can view and edit daily, weekly, and monthly appointments by clicking on the various tabs at the top of the window. All appointments from previous dates of service that have not been marked with a finalized appointment status are considered pending and can be viewed from this tab marked Pending Appointments. You can change the status of the appointment by clicking the drop-down menu under the Status column. At the very top of the scheduler is a feature that allows you to view the schedule for a specific provider and a specific location. The Provider view allows you to add, edit, and view the schedule by the specific provider you have selected through the Select Provider and Location control at the top of the scheduler screen. The Room view allows you to view the schedule sorted by room availability. You can add, edit, and view the room numbers for which appointments have been scheduled. All the appointments of the current date are listed in this part of the window, detailing the appointment's time, patient name, appointment status and reason, home phone, and balance. The Balance column notifies you of any outstanding patient balances. This dollar amount is the actual amount owed by the patient after MTBC's billing executives have processed the claim through the patient's primary, secondary, and tertiary insurances. This screen is customized by the individual user. For example, if you are logged into the EMR as a provider, the provider's screen will be on display, showing today's patients who are ready to be treated. Patient names are color-coded in the scheduler to help you determine in real time if your patient's insurance coverage has changed or confirms that his or her insurance is still valid. Green is for eligible, red is for ineligible, and blue is for unavailable. Right-click on any patient name and select Eligibility to view and edit the details. The calendar is located at the top left corner of the scheduler window. Today's date is indicated by a red square, while the date of current appointment view is indicated by a blue filled box. Before you begin scheduling patient appointments, you will need to set up the scheduler calendar. To access the scheduler settings, select the Scheduler Setting option from the System Management drop-down window. You can use the Visit Reason tab to add the appointment reasons that will appear in the drop-down menu of the Save Appointment window. To add reasons, use the arrow buttons to move the reasons available from the Available Appointment Reason to the Current Appointment Reason window, or you can enter a new reason in the text field and click Add Reason. Use the Appointment Rules tab to enter a set time unit and default reason that will automatically appear in the Save Appointment window. From the Office Timings tab, click New and enter office timings, provider, and location details. Once you've entered the information, be sure to click the Save button. You can modify existing information by clicking the Modify button. Use the Provider's On-Call Off-Day tab to enter provider and location details. Select the days from the On-Call and Off-Day columns to add this information. Click the Provider's Holiday tab and enter the provider and location details. Select national holidays and add additional holidays and vacations from respective columns. Once you've finished adding the scheduler setting information, click the Close button to exit the window. To add or edit an appointment, choose a day on the calendar and then click the Provider's view for that day. Use the Patient Search function on the left side of the window and search for a patient by last name or first name. Then click and drag the name of the patient from the left box into the desired time slot on the right-hand side. You can also add and edit appointments by right-clicking the mouse on an available time slot to add a new appointment or an existing appointment to edit an appointment. Once you've selected either of these options, the Save Appointment window will appear. If you have already selected a patient from the Quick Search feature, then you will be instructed to create an appointment for an existing patient. Otherwise, if you have clicked on an available time slot to add an appointment, you will have the option to select a new patient from the very top of the Save Appointment window. Click the binoculars icon and then double-click on a patient name to add that patient's information into the Save Appointment window. Any missing patient information will appear at the bottom of the Save Appointment window in red. Once you have entered all the information needed to schedule the appointment, click the Save button. Click Print at the top right side of the window and a new window will open. Select the report type you would like to print and then click Print. The Scheduler Front Screen option prints the main screen of appointments as it appears on your last selection, and will include patient names and telephone numbers for easy appointment confirmation. The sign-in sheet lists all of the scheduled patients by provider and location for easy sign-in. The Office Superbill allows providers to code from a classic superbill. Click Stats to view a summary report of appointments. The Refresh button allows you to refresh the tab or task based on new selections. If you right-click the mouse on any scheduled appointment or blank time slot, the following functions are available. You can add a new appointment, edit or delete a selected appointment, retrieve a patient's record, filter appointments, view the cash register, edit SOAP notes, or view and edit a patient's insurance eligibility. Thank you for watching the MTBC EMR Scheduler video tutorial. For more information on MTBC's EMR, please visit our Support Center website.